Welcome back to the channel. Data is a key asset for modern day organizations. As the IT management division, manage engine infrastructure aims to provide those flexible solutions that can work for businesses of all sizes and budgets. From AI assisted solutions that can map user behavior to building those innovative database solutions. The company is doing a lot of R&D to leverage emerging technologies for business growth. The focus on artificial intelligence, the work being done by R&D labs, and the trends that can foresee in those domains, and the key areas of focus that manage engineering leveraging AI for. We can say that industry use those AI assisted users and entity behavior analytics in our security information and event management stack, and we have built those powerful forecasting and anomaly detection techniques in our monitoring stack to help those IT managers predict event and trace the root cause of anomalous issues. We have industry also launch of natural language processing features and service delivery stack, including chatbots, smart agent assignment, and ticket topic detection to ensure those maximum agent productivity. Apart from AI, some other technologies the industry is working that enable IT teams to optimize those processes and maximize the productivity. The industry makes sure to select and develop those meaningful research projects that have the potential to see the light of day. We have a dedicated expert database research team that building those innovative database solutions to ensure the product operate at a scale with a minimal footprint, co-located with the AI and database team for the hardware acceleration management, which works on putting application-specific integrated circuits like field programmable gate arrays to use and ensure that AI models and databases make most of the hardware underneath. Industry also used those blockchain and cryptography research group that helps the customer stay on top of newer advancements in the world of decentralized computing and ensure the society products are up to date with the most recent trend in cryptography. With the rapid adoption of artificial intelligence due to the pandemic, some trends we anticipate the industry to pick as digitalization has been increased acceleration since the onset of the pandemic. In addition to the growth of new age digital first businesses, traditional industries are like banking and healthcare are also heavily investing in digital infrastructure. Naturally, as a result of this digitalization, organizations want to use those data they collect to their competitive advantages. This has led to an upward trend in AI adoption as well. IT is becoming a more critical aspect of business since a modern day customer experience is heavily dependent on quality of the IT infrastructure to maintain. In addition to the growth of new age, AI is widely used in services like marketing, customer support, and product positioning. As IT members team members warm up the idea of AI prediction in core system maintenance tasks and start using AI on a day-to-day basis. The more adoption in IT infrastructure will keep maintaining and use cases like threat detection, outage prediction, malware analysis, and the root cause analysis of any incident. As of now, AI itself, the technology, will move towards explainable predictions, which can help the members to interpret the decisions made by the AI model. It is also evolving to work with smaller amount of data, helping small and medium-sized businesses that don't have the luxury of huge data sets stay on par with bigger enterprises. How AI augmenting will help the customers address industry challenges. That's an important aspect. It means data is a key asset for modern day organization. They build those successful business models and around data and leverage AI to put this data for a better use. Today, it's not enough just being a digital first brand. The key is how reliable your digital interface is. AI capabilities of our product help those customers secure their network and ensure those uptime. We provide an extensive platform to ensure those security is not compromised by those malicious effect. The network monitoring tool, the operational manager and site observatory tools use those AI features like anomaly detection and incident prediction to help better forecast those network needs and mitigate those outage. And the service delivery tool, Service Desk Plus, utilize those advances, natural language processing techniques to ensure faster resolution of incoming tickets by identifying the context of tickets and assigning them to the right technicians. The digital transformation and innovation have helped those businesses across sectors deal with the pandemic, in some cases even expand. It's time for others to take a cue. The pandemic has brought many small and medium scale enterprises and big businesses across the world to a standstill, and that are possibly the most affected, with many not being able to resume this operation until things settle into whatever will become a new normal. In such circumstances, people generally look to their government to take those necessary measures and help them resolve their immediate cash flow problems. But in the pandemic like this, many governments are struggling to balance those immediate public healthcare needs and long-term economic concern. The impact of COVID on the service sector is even more pronounced, as it includes mostly small and medium scale enterprise that really rely heavily on the human touch approach. One viable method of addressing this problem is adopting innovative tools and resources to improve operational productivity. In the wake of the pandemic, digital transformation and innovation involving multidimensional pivots are expected to raise service productivity. The companies have managed to stay in businesses by adopting digital transformation and innovation. According to the research, 32% of IT decision makers noted that digital transformation had positively affected revenue, with a substantial rise of 23%. With a high digital transformation level, revenue increased 1.5 times faster than the average, translating into lower cost and higher labor productivity. That's all for now. From the end of this lecture, thanks for watching.